We're looking at further simplification of surds. Exactly how absurd. So we're now looking at simplifying when we're multiplying and then expanding surds and collecting the results. So let's have a look at this first one, root 15 times root 5. There's two ways to do this. You can put them together under the square root sign and then multiply what's there, and that's actually what I'm going to do. Or else you could simplify each one and then put it together at the end. I'm going to put them together first. So we've got root 15 times root 5 is the same as root 15 times 5, which is root 10 times 5 is 50, 5 times 5, 25, 75. 75. And that's the same as root 25 times 3, so I've got 5 root 3, because root 25 is 5 and it goes out the front once you square rooted it. B, we can do something similar here, but now we have numbers out the front. You multiply them together as well, so 5 times 7, 35. Root 6 times 10. So we've still got our 35 out the front, it becomes root 60. Any square numbers go into 60? Well, I know 4 does. 15 times, anything else? No. So it's 35 root 15 times 4, which means it's 35 times 2 root 15, because the 4 came out and became the 2. And that makes us 70 root 15. And that's it. That's all we can do. Next ones, we're just going to expand these like normal. First, foil, first, outside, inside, last. This. Let's have a go. And I'm going to write this out painstakingly, step by step. You do not need to. I'm trying to figure out the angle for this. Okay. So we've got first and first is root 15 times root 3 plus. And I've got first times the second, root 15 times negative 3 plus second times the first, 2 times root 3 plus second times the second, 2 times negative 3. Root 15 times root 3 is the same as root 45 plus, I shouldn't have gone straight into plus because root 15 times negative 3 is take 3 root 15. 2 root 3, there's nothing I can do there. And then take 6. 45, 9 goes into 45. 9 times 5, take 3 root 15 plus 2 root 3, take 6. Which means I've got 3 root 5, take 3 root 15 plus 2 root 3, take 6. And that's all we can do, that's it. Boom, that's the end. If I then look at B, now I just want to remind you this is the same as A take B all squared, A squared take 2AB plus B squared. Do not write this out and expand it. You can use this. So here my A is my root 15, my B is my root 6. So I've got root 15 squared. Take 2 times A, which is root 15, times B, which is root 6, plus root 6 squared. Now, root 15 squared is root 15 times root 15. The squared disappears. So we've got 15, take 2 root 15, root 6. Well, 15 times 6 is, 10 times 6 is 60, 90. So I've got 2 root 90. Plus root 6 all squared is just 6. I'm going to put together my like terms. I've got this 15 and I've got this plus 6. So that becomes 21. Take 2 root 90. Well, that's 9 times 10. 21 take 2 times, and root 9 is 3. And the 10 stays under the square root. Which means I've got 21 take 2 times 3 is 6 root 10. That's it. It's fairly simple maths, actually. You've done a lot harder stuff. Like chapter 1 was much harder than chapter 2, which this will be a nice week. It will. Much more encouraging. We did smash it through chapter 1. So Try and smash it through these. Typical thing. Foundation questions, just work through the left-hand side. Development questions every second. Challenge enrichment, all you know the drill. Thank you.